Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Noval Faras. I am from Subi System Information, and today I will explain about my presentation about software and operating system. What is software? Software is collection of instruction data or computer programs that are used to run machine and carry out particular activities. It is the antithesis of hardware, which refers to a computer external components. Device running program, script, and application are collectively referred to as software in this content. Software classification. Software can be classified into different categories based on its purpose and functionality. Each software type has a role to play in computer system, and there is a system software, utility software, and application software. And the explanation, system software is a program designed to run a computer, hardware, and application and manage its resource, such as its memory, processor, and device. It also provides a platform for running application software, and system software is typically bundled with a computer operating system. Utility software is a type of software that is designed to help user manage, maintain, and optimize their computer system. Utility software include a wide range of tools and applications that perform specific tasks to improve the performance, security, and functionality of a computer system. And the application software. The term application software refers to software that perform specific functions for a user. When a user interacts directly with a piece of software, it is called application software. The sole purpose of application software is to assist the user in doing specific tasks. Microsoft Word and Excel, as well as popular web browsers like Firefox and Google Chrome. What is an operating system? An operating system, or OS, is a crucial piece of system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common service for a computer program. It acts as an intermediary between user and the computer hardware, enabling the execution of application in a convenient and efficient manner. Type of type of operating system. Based on your text management criteria, there are a single text operating system which allow the execution of single program at a time until its termination or interruption, and thus multitasker that manage CPU resource to allow a certain chance of simultaneity. According to your user management criteria, similarly, there are single user OS which limit the execution to the program of one user, and multi-user that allow the simultaneous execution of programs of different users. According to your resource management, there are centralized OS which limit their area of influence to a single computer or system, and other distributed that allow to handle numerous teams at the same time. Example of operating system, there is a Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Why operating system used? Operating system is used as a communication channel between the computer hardware and user. It works an intermediate between system hardware and user and end user. Operating system handles the following responsibilities. It controls all the computer resources. It provides valuable service to user program. It coordinates the execution of user program. It provides resource of user program. It provides an interface to the user. It hides the complexity of software. It supports multiple execution modes, and It monitors the execution of user program to prevent errors. Function of operating system. An operating system acts as communication interface between the user and the computer hardware. Its purpose is to provide a platform on which a user can execute program conventionally and efficiently. An operating system is software that manages the allocation of computer hardware. The coordination of hardware is must be appropriate to ensure the computer system correct operation and prevent user program from interfering with it. The main goal of the operating system is to make the computer environment more convenient to use, and the secondary goal is to use the resource most efficiently. In this article, we will see function of operating system in detail. That is the about my presentation. Thank you. And this is about my second presentation about hardware. What is hardware? A computer hardware consists of its physical parts, including its internal piece and connected external device. Hardware components perform computer tasks like calculating data, storing information, processing input, and providing output. Any part of a computer that you can physically touch is hardware. Hardware component. CPU. The CPU is also known as the heart of the computer. It consists of three units, generally known as the control unit, the arithmetic logical unit, and the memory unit. Motherboard. It is the main circuit board inside a computer, and it contains most of the electronic components together. All the components of the computer are directly or indirectly connected to the motherboard. It includes RAM slots, controllers, system chipset, and other similar. Power supply. All of system, all of computer system parts are powered by a power source. Typically, a power cord is used to connect computer tower and an electrical outlet. By turning off the computer, unplugging and separating the power supply cord, or trying a different cord or socket, a technician can diagnose the power supply. Holding fan. It is the main circuit board inside a computer, and it contains most all of the electronic component together. All the components of the computer are directly or indirectly connected to the motherboard. It includes RAM slots, controller system chipset. RAM. It is also known as temporary or volatile memory. It holds the program and data which are currently in process or processing. All the data is erased as soon as the computer is turned off, or in the case of power failure, data stored in this memory can be changed. Video graphic. It is the main circuit board inside a computer, and it contains most of the electronic components together. All the components of the computer are directly or indirectly connected to the motherboard. It includes RAM slots, control system, chipset. Hard disk. On a computer system, file, program, and other types of information are stored on hard drives, which are data storage devices. They utilize hard drive, which are magnetically coated disks used to store digital version of information. A computer technician can suspect a corrupt hard disk when a hard drive dies. Output device. An output device is any hardware component that converts data into a form that can be perceived by humans. Example, a monitor. is a piece of computer hardware that display the videos and graphic information generated by a connected computer through the computer video card. And a printer is an external hardware or device that takes the electronic data stored on a computer or other device and generate a hard copy. For example, if you created a report on your computer, you could print several copies to hand out at staff meeting. And I think that's enough about my two presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.